Hello crochet friends, and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the Griddle Stitch. This is one of my top 3 favorite stitches, especially for absolute beginners. It only requires 2 stitches, a single crochet and double crochet, and you alternate between the two to create these really cute little box details. It's also reversible, and I think perfect for blankets, hats, scarves, really anything that you want a nice texture added to. So let's hop to it. For the Griddle Stitch, you want to chain a multiple of 2 plus 1. That plus 1 at the end is going to go into our first single crochet. Once you have chained the number of stitches that you want, turn it over. We're going to crochet in the bumps. You want to skip that first bump closest to your hook and do a single crochet into that second bump. In the next bump, you want to do a double crochet. And then after that, a single crochet into the next bump. And a double crochet after that. And you will keep alternating single crochets and double crochets all the way to the end, ending with a double crochet. And that is the first row of our Griddle Stitch. You're not going to chain when you turn, you're simply just going to turn. You can already see the little boxed details already starting to emerge. I really love this stitch, if you couldn't tell. Alright, so after you turn your project over, you're simply going to single crochet into that last stitch that we did, that double crochet from the previous row. And then you'll double crochet into the next stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch. And double crochet again. Once again, alternating just like we did in that first row. However, if you'll notice, we are actually single crocheting into the double crochet of the previous row and double crocheting into the single crochet of the previous row. This is how you know you're doing it right. If you were to stack single crochets and stack double crochets, it wouldn't come out right. You won't get this detail here of alternating little boxes, and it won't give you this reversible look as well. So you want to make sure that you are stacking single crochets on top of double crochets and double crochets on top of single crochets. As you go up in your project, you will notice that you are alternating single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and so on. Keeping track of where you stack your stitches will help you to create this nice detail. So you will always begin your row with a single crochet, and you'll always end your row with a double crochet. If that's not the case, then you might have chained a stitch too many or too few. So you'll want to go back and make sure that you chained a multiple of 2. Single crochet on top of that double crochet and double crochet on top of that single crochet. And you'll just keep doing this until the end. Single crochet on double crochet on single crochet. Once again, ending with a double crochet. And then you turn your work and you just repeat that again and again until your desired length. I really hope that this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!